Guys, well, the day has come. We got our Areej Dore package, which is really quite surprising. It only took about a couple weeks after the order was made, so really cool on that part. But I'm gonna go ahead and get into this real quick and see what you guys think. Awesome box. Thanks for bearing with me, guys. This one hand stuff is a little difficult, but we're getting there. Let me know if you guys were able to get a bottle. There we go. There's the outer box, which is really beautiful. I love the coloring. There it is. Beautiful bottle. Detailing on it, just amazing. In my next video, I'm gonna give it about a week, but I'm gonna wear it pretty much every day for about 4 or 5 days. And I don't care if it's hot, cold, whatever the weather is here. I'm just gonna wear it and see what I think of it. And I give you guys really a true full review. I haven't done a Areej Dore review in a while. So, but guys, thanks so much for watching. The presentation really is gorgeous, beautiful. So. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you guys actually received a bottle yet, and I would love to hear your thoughts on it. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. As always, Rise for Eggs 34.